Alright guys, this is kind of part two. I'm just taking these jars up. That one's empty. So these today is Thursday. I put these out Saturday and Sunday, and they're all empty. So that's well within the time frame that for talking about, this was filled with the Norroa solution here for mites. It's a mite treatment. So I'm picking all these up. I'm gonna take these to the next apiaries. I don't have enough of these. I don't know how many I have out there. I don't know how many jars I have out there. Looks like this one's empty, and I apologize for that. The camera's over here on this left side of my glasses, so it kind of picks up that veil. Let's see how much is coming out of here. Actually, oh, this is actually empty. Okay, it doesn't look empty. All right. That's gonna be perfect. And so what I need to do is just take this, see which one's closer to being. All right, I'll take this one. I get a little anxious when I try to open these jars since I couldn't open them the other day. I'm on camera, struggling. All right. There's a little bit of trash in there. That's gonna be okay. These guys are taking this syrup up. It's got Norroa in there. Look, that one's kind of plugged up a little bit. Let's just do this one. I'm gonna do this. Now I'm not looking in the internal jars or the internal frame feeders over there. Not gonna worry about it. I'm sure they're empty too, and I'll feed them up. I'll fill them up with syrup when it's time. So this is the only one that hasn't finished the entire treatment for Varroa. Just kind of watch. Let the timer run down. It'll just run down. I want to look at some of these bees. See what kind of pollen's going in. I'm looking over here at this one. I'll turn this veil a little bit. It's quite a bit. All right, guys, lights blinking. About to turn off. Honey Jefe here. This is